Hello and welcome to Kriti. Let's view the customer master data element within the ERP system and how we can see the 360-degree view of our relationship with the customer as well. So the way to get to the screen is go to the hamburger menu, click on the contacts, and here is where you'll find accounts and also the contacts associated with us. So let me take one example just by searching the company name. I will be able to get to that one. So as you can see here, it's brought up the account information and also their associated contacts. Now, if you go to the account itself, you will still find the relationship with all these contacts. So let's check that one. And then in here, the very first home screen is got all that information, and this indicates this is the company and not the individual account. So this is a company account, and at the top level, what you see is just the address that's maintained, the communication address, the emails and telephones and the website, etc., including the GST treatment, which is basically the tax purposes, how the taxes are calculated, and also its VAT number. And then you will also see all the associated contacts over here. Basically, anyone who's linked with sales order, purchase, or a contact for delivery, a contact for invoicing, all of that is available here. Okay, and apart from that, you can also look at another tab, which is basically the sales and purchase tab. Here is where you'll maintain any relationship with the customer, for example, account manager from the company, what are the payment terms, and what the delivery method will look like. All of that is maintained. One of the key important field to note here is the price list. And what this drives is the customer specific pricing. So for any products that customers are purchasing, there's a list price, which is a standard list price, but you also can maintain the customer specific pricing based on their purchase history or the relationship. If it's a gold customers, you might want to have a preferential pricing. So for that one, what you need to do is set up a separate price list for these kind of gold standard customers, and you could assign that price list over here. And what happens is, if customers is placing the order either on the web or on the backend, you will be able to pick, and automatically the preferential pricing will be applied. Okay, that's about the price list. And you also have the same thing for purchasing from them, like what the payment terms, what the supply currency will look like. All of that is maintained here. The third type is really about the any sort of follow-up method. So there's an automatic algorithm that runs behind the scenes, which will automatically fire the email reminders to the customers for any open invoices that are due to be paid or just gone past the due dates. So that is a possibility over here. And then any accounting journals, like account receivables and account payables and the customer bank account, can be maintained over here. Right, so this is about just a general master data, but in order to get the 360-degree view of what the interactions that we had, you can click at the top of the screen over here. You can see there's any engagements that we had, like that meetings that we're scheduling it with the customers. You can check that one over here. Any open opportunities, if you want to just view it, click on that one. You will see any pipeline opportunity that's there with that customers, followed by the other elements such as any sales orders that we have created, the quotations that are there. You can see that the quotations are already there. Some of them are already created, some of them are waiting to be invoiced or fully invoiced. All that information is pretty handy from the customer master data level itself. So whichever way you get to the customer data, you will be able to see the entire interactions and also the 360-degree view of the customer itself. So here is where you'll see all the tasks. So any services that you're delivering to the customer, so all that trust background across multiple projects could be listed under this one, and you will be able to get to individual tasks and check the snapshot within like 3 clicks. Likewise, you also have the purchasing, the RFQs and any purchase orders that's created, etc. And as if there's anything in terms of the logistics movement, all of that is also captured over here. At the moment, there's nothing in here. But you will see whenever there's an open transactions that are available. And likewise the invoices, so invoices are also available. to be able to view it within just one click, and then you can see there's a number of invoices has been posted but not been paid. So all of that is listed over here, and the vendor bills. So this is a quick summary of all the customer master data, and likewise you can also get to from here only you can also navigate to different areas where you can click on the the contact information and view contact information, etc., etc. All right. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.